Hi, it's Anna with WTI.
Are you looking for a suit for your little man? I have found one. It is very nice quality and it doesn't break the bank. This is by SWOTGdoby and this is the dark gray. It looks so nice on him and he got so many nice compliments. It came as a 3-piece set and it came with an extra tie as well. So he has this black silky tie that came with it. He wears a size 12 normally and this fits very true to size. He's about 4'8" and I didn't have to hem the pants at all. They were the perfect length for him. I was really impressed with the quality of this. The material is a nice quality. Stitching feels very secure. And even the pocket on the jacket is a real pocket, which might seem like a little thing, but it's little details like that that really take a suit from just a cheap one made with a little bit of material to one that's really nice quality. It was fully lined, very nice. A couple other things I really appreciate about it are the vest really just takes it up a notch, so cute, and it's the satiny material on the back, and the pants have an adjustable waist. So if you need to tighten it a little bit for your little one, it's super easy to do. My son did not need that. Another really nice feature, I threw this in the washing machine, hung it to dry, and it was great. So if you're looking for a nice quality suit for your little man, I highly recommend this one. It looks so great.
And that's my point of view.